Dear Minister Makarim, dear Dr. Handoko, esteemed colleagues and participants, welcome everyone to this year's Winner Conference. The next 3 days will revolve around collaboration between our two countries. A bond that's already strong, which I experienced myself last July when I had the great pleasure of visiting Indonesia and meeting with Minister Makarim, Dr. Handoko, as well as many students, researchers and alumni. This was such an enriching experience, also for the many Dutch institutions represented in our mission. A bond that we can deepen even further during this conference, strengthening not only our two countries, but also having an impact on the rest of the world. A world where on a daily basis, a lot of forces tug and pull at us, some recklessly, others more subtly, more visibly. These soft forces are the ones that we work with, such as education, science and research. Forces that create a real positive change. On an individual level, they gently move us along, lesson after lesson, book after book, study after study. And for our society as a whole, these forces lay the groundwork for a resilient and sustainable future for us all. They contribute to finding ways to solve the challenges we are all facing, such as the pandemic and the green and digital transition. To do that and to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, international cooperation is key. To look with an open view beyond our own borders by putting the bright minds from our institutions together, to let them discuss with each other, inspire each other, and let them exchange ideas, talent and tools. Having these open conversations is extremely important to achieve excellent education and research. From vocational to academic education, from fundamental to applied science. In addressing complex challenges, such as the digital and green transition, we need to share not only our knowledge, but also our skill sets. And the good news, we are already doing this. A great example comes from the G20 climate and energy meetings in Bali, where our two countries signed an agreement to work together to accelerate the energy transition by exchanging our expertise. And by collaborating on innovation solutions, such as Indonesia's first tidal bridge and offshore wind park. It shows how our countries can create real change together. And I'm here to say, let's continue doing that. To listen to each other, to learn from each other, to exchange our knowledge and skills, so we can build a more resilient and sustainable future together, one step at a time. I wish you all an inspiring Winner Conference. Thank you so much.